In today's video, I'll show you how to use Google AI Studios for Image AI. Whether you're trying to create or generate new images or edit existing ones, you can easily use different Gemini models that are easily available inside Google AI Studios. Now, once you're inside of Google AI Studios, there is a separate section which is Generate Media. If you head over to the Generate Media section, the two models that are popular are the Nano Banana and Imagen. You can try out any of these, but first let's head over to Imagen. Now, in order for you to create images using Imagen, you'll need to provide a prompt. Other than this, you can also select different models of Imagen on the top right of the screen, as well as the number of results that you want. Along with that, you can also select the aspect ratio and the output resolution as well. Provide a prompt of an image that you're trying to create and then just hit run. And just like that, your images now will be created. Now, if you want to make some changes to this image or add in new things, you can always add in or edit your prompts. Now, what you can also do is instead of generating an image from scratch, if you have an existing image that you're trying to edit, you can also do that. For this purpose, we're going to use the Nano Banana. So head over to the chat section and you can click on the try Nano Banana option. This way the Nano Banana model will be selected on the top right. Now, instead of here straight away adding in a new prompt, you can click on the plus icon and upload the image that you're trying to edit. Once the images now have been uploaded, you can reprompt it to make any new changes. Once you add in the prompt to make the changes, you can hit run. And as easy as that, depending upon your prompts, the changes to the images will be made. As I said, if the images do not replicate what the prompt says, you can always iterate and try out a new prompt to make the images as clear as you want them. So these are the two sections where you can use Google AI Studios to generate images, whether using a new prompt or you can edit them as well. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.